offers robust, high-performance connectors for demanding consumer electronics, industrial automation, automotive applications, and more. This includes USB, memory card, and SIM card connectors, with versatile mounting options for design flexibility. GCT offers USB connectors in various formats, including Type-C. These support data rates up to 10 gigabits per second and power delivery up to 240 watts, and power-only USB connectors are available. They're rated for up to 20,000 mating cycles and are available in top, mid, bottom, and edge mount versions, and with sealing up to IP68. Connectors for microSD cards in standard micro and nano SIMs support storage and connectivity requirements. The low-profile surface mount connectors are offered with push-push, push-pull, and hinged insertion styles and options for card detection switches and locating pegs. GCT's USB, memory card, and SIM card connectors ensure secure data and power transmission in compact form factors and are a trusted solution for engineers seeking quality, innovation, and design flexibility.